Hello everybody, welcome to Our Fat Girl. Went up to Boulder, Wyoming this weekend, went camping, got to see moose in the morning. This is a trail we took about 2 weeks ago, and as you can see it's bone dry. We came up to this area then with the 4-door. This is Fat Girl right now. We'll bring Killer up here and attempt to run it, and now we've got the melt off. The road's completely flooded. This road's washed out really bad, and now I'll let you watch that video. It's coming up right now. And we're up to a spot that we like to drive here in Boulder, but I'll be doggone, it's not flooded with water. But hey,
just for people's reference, yes, this is a road.
Yeah, this is a road.
We are not driving in a river. This is the road.
It's a flowing road.
See, it continues right over there to the left.
And we're gonna, you look to the right.
Wow. That's where the water continues on. We're gonna go this way.
Just enough to turn around because we drove up to it and, oh man.
Oh, the ruts are serious.
Wash. Okay, so we're gonna turn her around right here.
Oh, the ruts are real.
Yep. Oh wow. Let's see the camera. You're still videoing. Yeah, these are the ruts we're coming through. It's pretty awesome. There you go. Go back.
Holy cow.
Get off.
Did you diff out on that?
Huh?
Did you diff out on that? I don't think so.
No.
Oh!
Somebody did, but we didn't.
I tell you what.
It's nice being in a behemoth like this.
People are going to have to forgive the video quality. We're videoing through bug-splattered windshield. And back up the road. Honey. Great.
Oh,
now we can't see anything.
See nothing.
Congratulations.
Wow. Well, there I got. Oh boy, look at that three-wheeling her. That's it. And if we go up a couple hundred more feet, we're in the snow line. And thank God our property's below it. It got down below 26 last night. Everything froze, but it was beautiful. Hope you enjoy our adventures. This is Boulder Creek. You can see what it's like now in spring runoff. It is a ripper. It's coming through there pretty fast and hard. Beautiful scenes. Thanks for watching Our Fat Girl. Hopefully I get some more videos done soon. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.